Hey, Wayne Sutton here, prosperwithwayne.com. We're doing a book review today. Book review, Chris Smith, The Conversion Code. Those who follow Chris, you know who Chris is. He runs a very strategic internet marketing, digital marketing company. I want to just read some of the things from his book. I saw Chris on a YouTube video. I've spoken to Chris, and I grabbed his book and gone through it. And I know people that have used Chris's service. So I just want to talk about the conversion code. Nothing about Chris. I just want to talk about the book because the book is full of great information. It really goes back into the whole premise of everything that we used to do manually or out face-to-face really can be done through the internet. And it says it here on the book. I mean, I love Chris's just, here's what I get. You got capture internet needs, create quality appointments, close more sales. And so I've read this book more than once, 18 chapters. And so I want to give you a couple of points on this. Number one, and so I'm going to give you a couple points. If you want to pick the book up, pick it up. It's worth reading. It really is a great book. Number one, how to build websites and landing pages that consistently capture internet leads. And this is very important. If you're going to build a business around the internet, you've got to have a website. You've got to have landing pages. If you go to our landing page, lifecoachlifestyle.com, it's simple. Put in your email address. I'm not asking for a lot of information. There's times when you want to have a form or a survey and you want to pre-qualify. What I want email addresses. I want to build my list. If I can get them into my list, I can go back into this conversion code. I can convert them by giving them value, by bringing value, by doing this, by doing the blog, by doing my Wednesday night trainings, by being there for you. I know some of you are going to jump on board, right? So he talks about how to build websites and landing pages that bring in the internet leads. And then once you have the lead, what do you do with a lead? Lead conversion, one of my mentors said lead conversion is easy. It's nurturing the lead that is the hard part. So once you have the lead, what do you do? How do you convert that lead? How do you gather information on that lead before you ever even go out and begin to work with them? How do you retarget that lead? So if somebody finds you on Facebook, how do we make sure that lead continues to see you week after week, month after month in their feed with different but relevant information, so they go, wow, you're the obvious one I must work with. You must have the solution to my problem. If people think you have the solution to their problem and their problem is big enough and you have the solution, they can't help but spend money with you. It's just how it works. So how to use the internet to get the leads, how to use a CRM, how to use text messaging, how to use phone calls, how to use, like I said, Facebook retargeting, to go by email, to go back and continue to stay in front of mind in building up this value in the eye of the consumer. And then last, how to close. He gets in what he says on the phone, how he handles phone calls, the pre-work, what he does before he gets on the phone call, overcoming objections, his 5 yes technique on page 127, well worth picking up the book. So I'm not going to go long here. Pick up the book. If you are using the internet, let me say this, if you're using the internet or thinking about using the internet to build a list, or to build a company, to build a list, to find more prospects, and you want to go from how do I capture them to how do I close them, pick up Chris Smith's book, The Conversion Code. Also, if you pick his book up, $15-20, pick it up on Amazon. But be sure to get our book. It's absolutely free, or you can pick it up on Amazon too. Life Coach You, how you can become a six-figure life coach. You can pick it up at lifecoachlifestyle.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Hope this has been helpful for you. Chris, you did a great job.